Do you know the meaning of your life? Why do you exist? The meaning of the life can be summarized in just one word, and that is purpose. If you are not clear on what your purpose is, then this video is definitely for you. It will be a 2-video series. In video 1, which is this one, I will be teaching you the concept on how you can identify your purpose. And in the next video, I will teach you how you can implement that concept. I will show you that concept in action, how I implemented that concept in my life and how I found my purpose. My name is Shashank, your purpose clarity coach on a mission to help people change their passion into their purpose. We have seen a huge advancement in the area of science and technology. We have reduced distances. We have reached to the moon. We have reached to the depths of the oceans. We have connected the entire world virtually now. While there is so much fulfillment in the world, there is emptiness inside us. We are over-engaged outside, but we are isolated within. The biggest problem in today's world is people have lost the purpose of their life. I am going to share you an age-old Japanese concept called Ikigai, which talks about how 4 elements of your life can join together to form the purpose. Ikigai means the reason for being, or the reason why you get up every day. I was introduced to this concept last year, and it helped me to identify my purpose, and since then there is no looking back. I will break this concept step by step so that you truly understand the importance and meaning of this concept so that you can implement that in your life. The first element in Ikigai is what I love. These are the things that gives you happiness, that brings out the best in you, that gives you satisfaction. Element number 2, what I'm good at. These are the things which you are naturally good at. These are the things that you do better than others while others struggle with. Element number 3, how can I get paid? These are the activities that you do in exchange of money or in exchange of remuneration. And the last element, what does the world needs? These are the things that people truly needs. These are the things that you do to provide value to the humanity. Now, Ikigai don't treat these 4 elements as different. Ikigai treats them as together. And that's why you may see that there is a lot of intersection within these 4 elements. Now, let's see what lies in the intersection of these elements. A combination of what I love and what I'm good at gives us our passion. Now, passion alone is not sufficient. I have told this hundreds of times in my previous videos. People struggle in this area because all they are focused on is passion, which is me-centric. My passion, my family, my life, my happiness, it's all about me, me, me. In the pursuit of following their passion, they neglect the 2 other important areas of Ikigai framework, which is what does the world need and how can I be paid. Without wealth, following a passion is a waste of time. And that's why people who cannot monetize their passion often comes up with the belief that following the passion is waste of time, which is in fact not true. A combination of what I love and what the world needs gives us our mission. To understand mission, let's imagine a person taking a stroll in the park versus someone who is marching on his or her own beats and on a mission to accomplish something. A person without a mission is similar to a journey without an end destination in mind. A combination of what the world needs and how I can get paid is your vocation. This is generally your job. It is what you do on a day-to-day basis to get paid. And last, a combination of how I can get paid and what I'm good at is your profession. It is not uncommon for people to hate their profession because they lack the joy of doing it and also the feeling that they are making an impact in the world. The mistake that people do is that they try to put things in boxes. My career is something else. I am passionate about a totally different thing. I earn through something totally different, and world needs something else. They try to box their talents, their career, their passions. But Ikigai talks reverse about this. Ikigai says that all these four boxes are connected to each other, and even if one box is missing, you will not be able to find your purpose and find your Ikigai. Missing a box is same like if an organ is missing from your body. Now let's understand, if one box out of these four is missing, how does it impact your life or your Ikigai? Let's say you did something which you loved, you were good at, and you got paid also, but no one needs it. How will you feel? You will feel a sense of uselessness or lack of fulfillment because you're not able to make any impact. Or you did something that you're good at, you got paid also, and people need it, but you don't enjoy it. This will give you a sense of emptiness, a sense of void. Let's say you did something that people need, you got paid, you loved also, but you are not good at it. This will give you a sense of uncertainty because you are not certain that you will be able to deliver on your promises. And last, you did something that the world needs, you are good at it, you love it, but no one paid you. In this case, there is no wealth. And we all need wealth to pay our bills. We all need money to survive, correct? So even if one element out of these four is missing, you will never reach your Ikigai or you will never find your purpose. Now imagine you did something that you loved, you are really good at it, people need it, and you also get paid to do it. How does that sound? This is where your Ikigai lies. That's how you will find your purpose. My Passion to Purpose program draws this inspiration from Ikigai. In this program, I have crafted a series of steps that will help you to identify these four areas of your life and how you can connect together so that you make a living doing what you love and at the same time add an impact in the world. If you still feel confused or have further questions, then stay tuned for the next video in this series where I will share with you all the practical insights, how this model can be implemented in life and how I implemented in my life. See you in the next video.